Is Asana a project management tool, or is it something more? Have you ever found yourself juggling sprints and wondering if the platform you're already using could handle it all? It's a question I hear all the time from teams, big and small, who love Asana for its simplicity and power, but are starting to feel the pull of agile methodologies. They've got a great handle on task management, on timelines, on keeping their projects organized. But as their work becomes more iterative, more focused on rapid cycles of development and delivery, they start to wonder if they need to abandon their tried-and-true system for something entirely new. The good news is you don't have to. You absolutely can run sprints in Asana. And not just in a clunky, we'll make it work kind of way, but in a structured, efficient, and surprisingly powerful way. Today, we're going to dive deep into how to transform your Asana workspace into a sprint-ready machine. We'll cover everything from setting up your project to tracking your progress and even automating some of the more tedious parts of the process. Let's start with the foundation: setting up your sprint project. Think of your sprint as a container for all the work you want to accomplish in a specific time frame, usually 2 to 4 weeks. The best way to visualize this in Asana is with a dedicated project. This is your sprint board. Within this project, you'll create sections that represent the different stages of your sprint. The classic Agile setup is a great place to start. To do, in progress, in review, and done. But feel free to customize these to fit your team's unique workflow. Maybe you need a QA section or a staging section. The beauty of Asana is its flexibility. Now, for the key ingredient, the tasks. Each user story, each bug fix, each piece of work that needs to be completed within the sprint should be a task in this project. This is where a little bit of discipline comes in. Make sure each task is clearly defined, with a specific owner and a due date. This isn't just good practice. It's essential for tracking your sprint's progress. Use the task description to provide all the necessary details, from acceptance criteria to links to design files or external documentation. And here's where we can get really smart. Asana's custom fields are your secret weapon for sprint management. While the basic to-do, in-progress sections are great for visibility, custom fields allow you to add a layer of data that is crucial for Agile teams. Think about creating a custom field for story points to estimate the effort of each task, or a custom field for sprint to associate a task with a specific sprint number, especially if you're running multiple sprints simultaneously. You can even create a custom field for priority to help your team focus on the most important work first. So you've got your project, your sections, and your tasks with all their juicy details. How do you actually run the sprint? This is where Asana's powerful reporting and views come into play. The board view is your virtual Kanban board, giving you an at-a-glance look at what's in each stage of your sprint. This is perfect for daily stand-ups, allowing you to quickly move tasks from to-do to in progress and beyond. But what about tracking progress? This is where Asana's timeline and dashboard views shine. The timeline gives you a Gantt chart-like view of your sprint, allowing you to see dependencies and potential bottlenecks before they become major problems. The dashboard, on the other hand, is your nerve center. With custom fields, you can build charts that track things like story points completed, tasks by assignee, or tasks by priority. This gives you a real-time, data-driven look at how your sprint is progressing, allowing you to make informed decisions and course-correct as needed. And for those of you who love a good automation, Asana has you covered. Imagine this. When a task is moved to the Done section, Asana automatically marks it as complete. Or when a task is due in a week, Asana sends a reminder to the assignee. You can set up these rules in Asana's Rules tab, saving you and your team a ton of time and mental energy. This is how you go from just managing tasks to truly running an efficient, streamlined sprint. The key to all of this, to making sprints in Asana truly work, is a combination of discipline and customization. It's about being intentional with your setup, using the tools Asana gives you: sections, custom fields, views, and rules to create a system that mirrors your team's Agile workflow. It's not about forcing a square peg into a round hole. It's about seeing the potential within Asana to be more than just a task list. It's a flexible, powerful platform that can adapt to your team's evolving needs, including the need to run sprints. So, The next time someone asks you if they can run sprints in Asana, you won't just say yes. You'll be able to explain exactly how, walking them through the steps of setting up a project, leveraging custom fields, and using Asana's powerful views and automations to create a truly effective sprint management system. You'll show them that the project management tool they already love has the depth and flexibility to support their agile journey, all without having to switch platforms. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.